Hello friends, I am Himanshu and this video is for the solution for the task that I have given to you. We need to find the mobile number. So I am going to apply left. As a text I have given this and number of character. We need to find something similar, and that is dot. So what I am planning initially, I am planning that I need to extract from from Ram till the dot and just before the dot. So as a number of character I'm going to give find, and what I'm looking for in find text I'm going to give dot, comma, within text is this one, bracket close, and because we have get till the position of dot, I don't want dot actually, so I will give -1, bracket close. So I've got the answer up till here. Now if I will ask you to have the mobile number in this particular cell, then it's something very easy for you. This is the same task which you have applied for the pin code, which is in extreme right side and are of 6 characters. Similarly, mobile number is also of 10 characters at extreme right side. So simply you may apply right function. As a text you have selected this one, comma, number of characters is 10. So you will have the answer. But if you want to get the answer in one go, then it's also very easy. So here you need to type right function. Just set your cursor before left, after equal to, and start right. In right, the text is this complete function. If you remember in the first video, I have told you as a text you may give a function also, whichever is going to be the output of that function. That's the one function which you have start typing is going to get the solution for you. However, let's focus on this one. So I've typed right function and the text is going to be the complete function, which is give me this output, and from this output from the right side I want the number of characters which are 10. That's all. Bracket close, enter, and we will have the answer. So this is how you may get the solution, and this is a very perfect example of nesting. And in the next video we are going to learn another important function, which is mid function. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.